Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you're going to want to enable location services right here. Just tap on it, tap and turn on. And then once that's done, tap on your profile at the top right. Now go ahead and scroll down and find settings. Okay, tap on settings. Now in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and find navigation. Okay, just go ahead and scroll all the way down. You will find navigation. Just tap on it. And then once done, make sure that the mute state right here is set to unmuted. The guidance volume, it's up to you if you want it to be a normal, softer, or louder. Well, if you want it to be loud, just tap on louder right here. And then once done, make sure that you select your preferred voice and enable this option, play voice over Bluetooth as well. Maybe you have connected your device to a Bluetooth speaker and you could go ahead and play test sound. In here, we have the OK Google detection, which is hands-free voice command. Make sure that this one is enabled if you want to talk with Google under Google Maps. Okay, let's say, for example, you wanted to say, okay, I'm going to turn this on. Now let's say, okay, Google, can you give me the nearest gas station? All right, as you can see here, it's now locating under Google Maps. Now I wanted to say the nearest. Okay, as you can see here, it now says to location. So, okay, now go ahead and give me directions to Green Oil. There you go. And just tap on OK right here if it's the first time. Allow notifications, allow right here, and dismiss. And as you can see, it's now giving me the location from my home to the nearest gas station. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.